Hey, this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me right now I have her, and you know her. You don't need any introductions to join me as I welcome her on your Zoom. How does it feel to be a part of Kashish Film Festival? Tell us about it. You have been associated with a lot of good projects, but how does this feel different?
So I have been associated with Kashish for many years. My first short film which I've done was also an LGBTQI film, and I won an award for it at Kashish. And I thought at that time कि यार short film short हो गई, अब थोड़ी सी लंबी film बनानी पड़ेगी. So this year now I've made a feature film, and it's a family film. It's called Na Avarti Goshta, and Na Avarti Goshta means Na Pasand Kahani. But the beauty of the film is the Na is cut with the LGBTQI line.
Oh wow!
So it's a Pasandida Kahani, and it's a family film. So when you get to see it, you'll know.
I have to also ask you this, and we have seen that they have struggled a lot. Many laws have been coming, even the marriage laws. If you see that, even staying together, it's creating a lot of trouble, for them for that matter. What do you have to say about that?
I think as a filmmaker, what I can do is I can take a story and reach it to families, because I feel for me the biggest war is more than the external wall. It's inside the family when your family doesn't support you and accept you. So honestly for me, I feel मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आपकी फैमिली आपके साथ हो ना, आप दुनिया पे कोई भी वॉर जीत सकते हो. So right now I'm focusing on that part, that I'm trying to take a subject to families where they start having a conversation with the children and then take it further from there. So
You've done TV shows also. You have done, have done movies also. Which is that one thing, where you feel that the message is really relevant enough and it passes through people.
honestly,
One medium.
whatever I have done till now, will be very. I'm saying I'm very blessed and very thankful to the Almighty that He's always given me something which has had a message, be it a serial like Udan or starting off the show like Sara Akash, where that time there were no women pilots. I mean, there were very hardly women pilots one could
And
see.
your role was like completely all over the place.
Exactly. Then I produced a film called The Sholay Girl for Z5. It was about a stunt woman. Before that, men used to do stunts for women.
Yeah.
So I have done, I think, all the content that I've been associated has always been with a social message. Because I feel as filmmakers, entertainment is important, yes. But अगर उसके साथ साथ एक प्यारा सा मैसेज भी अगर आप दे सको, I think that's the best combination one can have.
And lastly, before I let you go, I don't want to take much of your time also, but lastly, before I let you go, what are the projects you are indulging in, apart from, the one which you have spoken about?
So right now there's another Hindi film which is in the pipeline. It's called Bina Shakkar Ki Chai. So we are currently filming that, and I'm doing a serial for Colors called Juhi Muhi. It's again a very different story because my daughter is autistic and she's a lawyer. So it's again a very different kind of. It's a limited series, so I'm very excited to do that. So at the moment, these two projects are going on, and yeah, I'm sure there'll be a lot more followed, but a lot more will be following after.
Thank you so much for your lovely time. Thank you so much.